嘎风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
让我们来听听客家和世界上的节庆会碰撞出什么有趣的火花。
Hey, what's up? It's time for the World of Hakka here on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin, and this month on the 18th is International Picnic Day. Now, did you know that the word picnic actually comes from the French word pique-nique, which means pick something together and share? And back in the 17th century, it was an event for the royalties and the riches, and they would dress all in white. It's kind of like a dress code to enjoy a picnic. But today, it's an everyday common event, and I'm sure in the Hakka culture, maybe they have picnics or outings like this that we can talk about.Please welcome to the show. It's 佳佳。
大家好，我是嘎嘎丽。
嘿，佳佳，我们6月18号呢有这个国际野餐节。现在野餐真的在台湾也很盛行哦，因为我们现在有好多场地都可以好好的野餐一下。
真的，大家可以一起摸杯打丢西。
这是野餐的客语吗？
对，而且现在大家都很喜欢打丢西，一种仪式感的感觉
啊，可能会有特别的穿着，然后还会去买特别的用具、
对，一定要打卡一下的啊，对不对？
然后穿着可能也会有一些主题。
有尤其像是油桐花，归节给时间，油桐花就像也写嘛，5月雪一样，
就白色了，
对，白色，然后又很像雪这样飘下来，所以那时候在野餐是一个很浪漫的感觉，而且大家就会说，那我们来穿着着那种花花的 dress code，也有可能啊，对不对？
因为客家有客家花布啊，也可以穿这个出来
哦。
不过因为你知道油桐花它是白色的，可以跟那个法国他们也是穿白色，然后就融入在那个油桐花里面，
真的这个是我新的 idea，dress code 哦
，not bad 。然后除此之外，有没有别的也是这种户外的活动是客家人会过的呢？
我觉得最重要的应该就是收东西了。
这年底的时候，对不对？
没错，其实就是客家人啊，感谢神明，五谷丰收，会准备呢这收东西。那这数东西啊，其实就是一起看很多的传统戏。那当然在庙前面呢，就会用哈尔斯东都给咸杂，就是糖葫芦啊，很多好吃的东西，也算是一种野餐喽。
也算是啦，对，而且很有历史性。
没错没错。
All right, that's great. Learning a little bit more about their harvest festival that comes at the end of the year, and in a way, it's kind of like a picnic too, in front of the temples, and they would celebrate a year of harvest. All right, let's teach you some of the phrases that we talked about and events that we mentioned, including again, 野餐到底怎么说? How do you say picnic?
我杯打丢西。
我杯打丢西. Okay, that's 5 words meaning picnic. And then the tongue flower, 油桐花.
油桐花.
油桐花. And finally, at the end of the year, there's a harvest, 收东西 that you should attend. 怎么说?
数东西.
数东西. And there you have it, learning a little bit more about the culture, about the words. It's again the World of Hakka. Thank you for listening.
什么太卡？
安子 say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.